Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss with the income method for the calculation of national income. The main important thing in this is that only and only the factor income is to be included in the national income accounting. So what do you mean by factor income? The income which is connected with the factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Only that part of income which is connected with the productive activity, that is only to be included. Another income is transfer income, which you have to ignore. That means it will not be included in national income because it is only a unilateral part, that is one-sided. For example, the scholarships and pensions. Now, the components of factor income, because with this we will calculate with the domestic income. So what is domestic income? The sum total of all the factor incomes earned within the domestic territory of a country is known as domestic income. Two main important parts of the definition: only and only factors income to be included and within the domestic territory only. So first component of factor income is compensation of employees. Compensation of employees means the amount which is paid by the employer to employees. It has three elements. First, wages and salaries in cash. Second, wages and salaries in kind. And third is employer's contribution to social security scheme. Wages and salaries in cash, that means whatever the monetary benefit you get, but the reimbursement or refund, that is not to be included. Suppose an employee has spent some amount and after that it will be refunded by the employer, that is not to be included in the compensation of employees. Second, in kind, another benefits which is being given, such as free medical educational facilities, that is also included. Third is employer's contribution, that is very much important, students. Only the employer's contribution to be added. Employee's contribution is to be completely ignored. Social security schemes such as provident fund hai, gratuity hai, etc. Second main component is operating surplus. Operating surplus is the sum total of income from property and entrepreneurship. It also has three elements: rent and royalty, interest and profit. Rent and royalty: rent is connected with the ownership of land and royalty means simply just leasing right when you give out. For in return you get the royalty. Second point, interest. Obviously you will give out some capital and you will get the interest back, but that loan should be connected with the product of services only. And third one is profit, that is obviously the reward of the entrepreneur. Now further, this element profit is being divided into three parts. First is corporate tax, second is dividend, and third is undistributed profits. So if you want to calculate profit, you will add these three elements, and if profit is separately given, that means these items individually to be ignored. Third main component is mixed income of self-employed persons, as the name clarifies, that is self-employed category. Now, according to the income method, the formula NDP at FC, that is net domestic product at factor cost, which is also known as domestic income, compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employed persons. Compensation of employees, wages and salaries in cash, in kind and employer's contribution. Either this complete amount would be taken or individually these three is to be added so that compensation could be calculated. Operating surplus, rent, interest and profit, these three are the main elements of operating surplus. Either you can take these three or operating surplus. Same way the profit components are also there: corporate tax, corporate saving and dividend. So either you will take profit as a total term or you can calculate corporate tax, corporate savings and dividend. Adding these three, you will get your profits. And mixed income of self-employed would be directly given. So this is the calculation of NDP at FC, that is net domestic product at factor cost. After that you can do with the certain variations, that is from net to gross, domestic to national, factor cost to market price and vice versa. Thank you.